starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much. And please remember that results using this test cannot be regarded as clinical data.